ABT, one of 125. It's the second one of 125 I see. Apparently the fastest artist in the world is powered by ABT. It's kind of the same color as the one I saw in the garage yesterday. Kind of identical, but black calipers instead of gold. Look how nice all these carbon details look. Wow. ABT made a real good design choice with all these smaller carbon details. Even this is carbon. You notice that? They changed the front grille parts in carbon. Wow. And we have our Ukrainian friend which have problems with the Monaco police over there in his RS6R or RSQ 8R. I mean, also stunning SVJ.